Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about keyword research. Yes, this is very important tutorial. Who is really want to learn SEO and keyword research? I have published some videos for you guys, and you like so much. Thank you so much, and thank you for your support. And if you miss my video, please see the SEO full course tutorial playlist, and definitely you will find all video. Okay, so today keyword research part 2 tutorial, and I think you have already watched my first video. Today we will learn lot of things, so let's get started. And please start watching this video. First of all, subscribe the channel and like this video. If you want, you can easily subscribe my channel for the next video, and just like awesome video. Okay, so today we want to know about website and keyword research basic things. Okay, I want to ask you a question: how many website uh, uh, you can define, you can categorize for your keyword research. First of all, you should know about the website category. So normally we think about the three categories website, like blog or affiliate, and the second is e-commerce, and number third is service based website. So today we want to talk about blog or affiliate based website keyword research. I think you know what is keyword, and again I want to just repeat, when you search anything on Google, anything, any word, it's called keyword. So first of all, you should install a Chrome extension for the free method keyword research. So simply go to your Google and just search keyword surfer extension. After that, you will find this result: keyword surfer, Chrome Web Store, Google. So I want to jump here, and this one definitely you should check the provider. Name is surferseo.com, and best rating, I think. And so now I want to just add to Chrome. Click here, then just add extension. Okay, now I want to pin. If you want, you can pin, yes, from here. So now I want to search a keyword. Suppose we want to buy some we want to buy a laptop, and blog our blog niche will be laptop price or mobile price or any kinds of price. This is very good niche, I think. So we want to research for this kinds of blog for some keywords. So first of all, I want to search Samsung mobile price. Okay, now just see here, Samsung mobile price. Okay, now I want to click enter and see what's happened. Yes, some results is come with this page and showing here, and I just see here is the search volume from the Chrome extension called keyword surfer, and also the CPC, cost per clicks, for the advertisement. Okay, so if you want to research with these tools, with these free keyword research tools, you can easily do it from your Chrome browser. So suppose you are from USA, you can easily select from here. You can pick your country from here. So I want to research some keywords from Bangladesh, so I want to just change the country from here. So I want to write here Bangladesh. Okay, nice one. And I want to see the search volume. Samsung mobile price is good, I think, because 3060 100 people searching with these keywords. This is good. But this keyword is based for our selection. How we can judge, how we can find the best keywords, that's after that we will write article and we can easily rank, how we can justify, how we can research. This is the main thing. When you will search some keywords with your topics, with your niche, you cannot pick any random keywords. This is very difficult. But if you want, if you can research completely, then you can tell, yes, I can rank with these keywords because I have successfully researched these keywords perfectly. So how we can do this? In this tutorial we can explore, I want to explore everything, so no worry. First of all, Samsung mobile price. Now I am from Bangladesh, so I want to see the result from the search bar. Okay, so here is the search bar. Also Google showing some suggestions. So this is very very important. This suggestion means people also searching with lots of keywords that Google suggest here. So this is very important. Please keep in your mind if you want to be a best keyword research. Okay, researchers. Okay, so now I want to pick this keyword, Samsung mobile price. So it's like very big keywords, and the search volume from the Bangladesh is 60,000 plus. Yes, it's huge. But how can we pick? So normally, randomly, I want to pick this one, Samsung mobile price. And I think you have already watched my first video, keyword research part 1, what is long tail and short tail keywords. This is very important for this class. So if you missed, please watch my first video, then continue the next one. Okay, so now I want to pick this one, and please maintain the Google sheet or Excel sheet for the keyword research. First of all, I want to just colorize something like that. Oh no, this is the text color. I don't want to change. I want to change the background. Okay, so sorry for the wasting the time. Really so sorry. Okay, so I want to change here. Okay, so here is three things, so you should know about it. Number one is keywords. Okay, so we know about it. And number two is MSV. What is it? Monthly search volume. Okay, so what we will get this one from the keyword server, the free extension from the Google Chrome. So you can easily find out any keyword search volume, monthly search volume. It's called, the short form is monthly MSV. So here it is MSV. Also here is the another one topic, that is, it's called all in title. What is it? Okay, I will explain, just wait. So now I want to pick this keyword and I want to put the monthly search volume. So what is the search volume for this keyword? 60,000 plus 60,500. So 60500. Okay, right. So I want to explain for this one, no problem. I want to pick another some keywords. Which keyword best for the beginner, for starting, for ranking? So we should pick the keyword for research. Before pick the keyword, you should properly research, and finally you can know, you can easily pick the keywords. Yes, and you can easily know, yes, this keyword will rank very fast. Okay, so first of all, see the suggestions. My first recommend, please see the suggestions. So Samsung mobile, Samsung phone, 10,000 to 15,000 price in Bangladesh. So this is very very nice keyword, I think. Also here is Samsung mobile price, 12,000 to 15,000. This is the search suggestion from the Google, because people are searching with these keywords, and definitely they have search volume. So we want to check. Okay, so I want to check this one, this one. Okay, and the search volume is 0. Don't think about, oh no, this is search volume is 0. No, 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 there are a lot of search volume. Sometimes some tools cannot provide the exact amount of uh, monthly search volume. So if you want, you can pick this keyword for the beginning, for the beginner, because you want to rank a article for your first blog post. Okay, so this is very good idea, I think. So if you want to write a article about Samsung mobile price 12,000 to 15,000 in Bangladesh, definitely you can easily rank. Okay, also I want to pick any other keywords. It's called Samsung mobile price in a price in Bangladesh. Then I want to change something. Okay, Bangladesh, and again I want to click here, and I want to see there are a lot of results from the suggestions. Samsung mobile price in Bangladesh 2024. Also here some Samsung mobile Bangladesh. So now what can you do? You can pick some other keywords for the different things. Like suppose you are thinking, your brain thinking about Samsung mobile price in Bangladesh, but you can pick any other keywords like Samsung A54. Please see the result. Just I have put here the A, and here it's the result. Suggestion. Okay, so Samsung A33 mobile price in Bangladesh, Samsung A54 mobile price in Bangladesh, lot of results showing here. So you should just pick these kinds of keywords from your big niche to small niche. This is very good practice, I think, for the keyword ranking. So I want to pick this one, Samsung A54 price in Bangladesh, and I want to see the results. So again, the result search volume is 0, but I want to check with this keyword. Okay, Samsung A54 mobile price. So I want to see the search volume, no problem, but I want to pick these keywords for the very beginning. Okay, when some keywords rank on Google from my blog, definitely I will pick, my suggestion, you should pick the big volume, big search volume keywords. Definitely you can do, but for the first time you should select some low competitive and low search volume keywords. Also we will do something good. Okay, I will explain everything. So I want to pick this one, Samsung A54 mobile price in Bangladesh. Also I want to pick some other keywords like Samsung S22 Ultra price in Bangladesh. Okay, so there are lots of results showing here. So I want to pick this one, and this is the same MSV, means that monthly search volume. Oh, I forget to collect the search volume for the keyword Samsung. Oh, there is no search volume. Maybe, yeah, I want to put it 0. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in this way you can pick lots of keywords. Definitely you can. And after that, what you will do, you just select these keywords and go to Google, then just search here with this quotation all in T call title, and then clone, and then put your keywords, then and hit enter. Okay, I want to see how many results come here. Normally I don't know there is any bug for my PC or something like that. Here you will get the all in title results here. Maybe from problem for the some other extension, but you will see here the uh, all in title results. So just with my formula, just search here all in title and see the result and put here. Suppose I think the result is 400. Okay, so this is all in title result. All in title result means with the exact keywords, uh, uh, the result is available from the web, from the Google search. Most of the people use these keywords in their blog post title. Okay, so if you see the all in title near 600 or below 500, you should pick the keywords. This is my suggestion. Okay, this is my suggestion because I think you can easily rank that keywords. Okay, now I think this video is already already big, so I want to explain everything for with the next video part 3, and that will be very cool, I think. And if you think this video and this series is keep going good, and you are enjoying with my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe the channel and share with your friends.